When will I get married? Everybody watching this is invited for my wedding on the 31 February. There's no 31 February. Years. Everybody watching this is invited for my wedding on the 6th October when everybody dead. But coming, everybody, I never. How will this year end and the next year start? Dead, okay. Dead, okay. My first 6 months is a new year, next one. January, I sit in the toilet, I'm making a shit. I get someone pregnant and I get the game. I try again. Next year, first 6 months, I will be rich. Gay. Next year, January, I will no. Next year, January, I will no. January, gay. My next 3 months will look like this. I will no. No. It would look like this. I get fired. Why? Why? I get fired again. Why? Why, brother? Why? And I go to jail. Okay.